Hello everybody, I wanted to share a quick trick on how to use my In the Lines Canva templates. So on these templates, you're going to notice that they have these outlines here. And because of the way they're layered, what's going to happen is if you leave the outline layer on top, you go to drag a paper, it's just going to automatically click to that as though it's a clipping mask. So we don't want to do that, obviously. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to position up here. Then you're going to go to layers if that isn't already open. You're going to find your outline layer here. So you can see here, I'm going to drag it to the bottom. So it's almost kind of like it's hidden. And then I can scrapbook this as normal. I can add my pictures to my um, template or papers, however I wanted to scrapbook that. And then when you're done, you go back to position and move the outline to the appropriate spot so that you can see it there the way I designed it. I hope that helps.